So today we'll take a look at part 2 of the 3/4, and I'd like to do a comparison between the two lines. So just to zoom in here. As you can see, this is part 1, and this is the second part of part 1. Part 2 starts here. If we do a comparison between these two lines, we can see that this middle section on all the parts is the same, and this end section on all the parts is the same. The only thing that changes is this first part. As you can see here, this is different than this part. But what happens is, after we finish the second bar of part 2, we repeat the first bar. So we play this bar. We've already learned about this bar from the previous part, and then we repeat the first bar again that we will learn, and then we do this ending again, which is the same, and then we repeat the whole line all over again. That's basically how this 3/4 drum score works. So let's take a close look at the first bar of part 2. So we have an eighth note here, to an eighth note flam, to an eighth note roll, to another eighth note, to an eighth note flam, and then we have a 16th note, to a 16th note flam, to a 16th note rest, to another 16th note. So if I was to count this, I would count it in eighth notes. Being 3/4 time, I have to have 3 beats in each bar, so 1, 2, 3. And this is the 1 and 2 and 3 and as you can see where I put the little X's, this is where the eighth notes fall as far as the end of the beat. And this one in particular is interesting because it falls right on the rest. So if you were to hear a click track, you wouldn't hear anything played when this one particular designation of time was to be played. Part 2 of the 3/4, bar 1, played at 80 beats per minute. "60 beats per minute.